Hi, this is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to block website on Google Chrome. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. It's easy to get overwhelmed by digital content. There are endless ways to waste your time online today, and some of them can be harmful to your online safety and privacy. There are also some sites you probably prefer your kids not to access. So how to do it if you want to block website from your specific website from your Google Chrome? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open up Google Chrome. For example, I want to block this site X from my Chrome. As you can see in here, I can still access this site. Now I want to block it. So you can just go to the three dots over here on the up right corner on your Google Chrome. Now you can just go to extension. From extension, you can select on the visit Chrome Web Store. Now you can just search for block site. You can choose this one, block site. Now you can add this add this extension to your Chrome. Add to Chrome, add extension. So now you have add that extension to your Chrome. Now you can just open X like this. You can open the website. After that, you can just click right on your mouse. Click right until you find there is an option block this domain. You can just select on that. So now you have blocked that site from your Google Chrome. It's very simple, right? So you no longer can access this website. So that is how to block websites in Google Chrome. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.